Let's go, everyone. Today we got another collaboration between Supreme and Hanes. So this is a 3-pack of tagless t-shirts in the color white. This is what the packaging looks like. These are great white tees for the summer. And let me open these up and show you all what they look like. All right, here we go. So your normal Hanes Comfort Soft medium shirt. Up top has the Supreme logo on the tag up there, printed on the shirt. And wow, has the red small box in the bottom left of the shirt. So these are pretty standard white tee, from Hanes, but has the Supreme collaboration on it right there. I like these shirts. Let me know what you guys think of these shirts in the comments below. Hope you're all doing well, and please like and subscribe for more future random unboxing videos. All right, see you all next time. Later.